Get ready to brew justice, chaos, and a super strong cup of heroism as I transform Batman, Green Arrow, Joker, and Superman into the ultimate coffee machine concoctions.
I'm not a regular coffee machine. I'm the dark roast knight brewing justice one cup at a time.
Haha. Who needs a punchline when you've got me brewing up chaos and caffeine in one twisted blend? It's a latte laughs with a side of espresso madness.
Faster than a brewing bean, more powerful than a steaming locomotive, it's super brew time.
Precision, like brewing the perfect cup, requires focus and determination.
If you enjoyed this heroic blend of creativity and fun, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay caffeinated with more exciting content. Stay super and stay tuned.